Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 816.
816. Today we're going to talk about remainders. So a question of like when 816 is divided by 13, what is the remainder?
Alright.
Okay. So tell me about how you might approach a problem like this.
Well, you can find a close multiple of 13 to 816. So I know that I think 780 is divisible by 13.
Okay.
And then from that you know that if you can add 39 to that, and you know that 819 is divisible by 13.
Alright.
So you know 816 is 3 less than a multiple of 13, so the remainder should be 10.
Okay, so let's see, 819 divided by 13. Oh, sorry, what were you saying?
Oh, yeah. So that would be, that's a multiple of 13. So 3 less of that should be actually, you could think of it as a remainder of negative 3, which would be 10.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Now, so that was a clever way to solve this specific problem. Let me ask you a different question. What would be an easier remainder problem?
Well, you could have a problem where the number's being divided by something like 10 or 5.
Oh, okay. So why? Like, make up a problem and let me understand why that's easy. Just give me a problem.
Well, you could have like 768 divided
768 is divided by
something like 20.
20. Okay. So why is this an easier problem?
Well, 20 is pretty easy to find the remainder of. It's just 2 times 10. So you can look at the closest multiple of 20, which is, this is easier to find. You just look for if the nearest multiple of 10 would be 770, but this isn't divisible by 20 because the 10th digit is odd.
Okay.
So it would be 760.
All right.
So it would be remainder 8.
Remainder 8. Okay, good. All right. Can you give me an even easier remainder problem?
Well, remainder when something is divided by 1.
Okay.
It's easy.
Why is that easy?
Because the remainder is always 0.
Ah, okay. All right. And what's a problem that's maybe harder than dividing by 1 but easier than dividing by 20?
Well, dividing by 10.
Okay, so give me that problem.
So you could just do 768 divided by 10.
768 divided by 10. And why is this an easy problem?
Well, you can just, if you look at these digits, you can edit. It's really easy to find a multiple of 10.
Okay, which is what?
770.
770.
So that would be a remainder of negative 2 or 8.
Okay, cool. So what makes dividing by 10 easy to find the remainder? Can you tell me?
Well, you can always, so what you do to find the remainder is you can cut off the last digit, and the last digit of the number is just the remainder.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to talk about that next.